Hey guys, I'm so excited to be making this video today because I've been working out my entire life and I've always preferred home workouts as opposed to going to the gym, but I was never very strategic with my workouts. I would kind of just choose the workout on the day. So a couple months ago, I found out about Notion and I looked through the templates to see if I could find any workouts template, and I did, but most of them were for people who go to the gym and they track every single type of exercise that they do. I just wanted something simple to plan out the workouts that I'm going to be doing. So I created this, and this is basically a home workout planner, scheduler, tracker, specifically designed for people who do home-based workouts like YouTube videos or maybe a website that you get your videos from. So if you do like Lilly Sabri workouts, Ting, Fitness Blender, or any of those other ones, this is exactly for you. So this template definitely sticks to the Notion simple Japanese design that I really like, but with a little aesthetic touch to it. And my favorite thing about it is it's basic, it's easy to use, provides everything that you need, such as tracking your workouts, favoriting workouts. There's even a library of the different trainers like Lilly Sabri, Ting, Pamela Reif, and lots of other fitness YouTubers. That being said, first I'm going to show you guys a tour of the template, and then I'm going to show you how I would use it and implement it. Okay, so this is the template, and as you can see, we have this little cute GIF over here, and they're on all the navigation items if you go into them. And over here we have this cover image. These are just some images that I got from Pinterest, but feel free to change it. Choose whatever images that you like that feels fit to you. Otherwise, just choose something from the gallery. So to start off with, we have this quote over here. The only bad workout is the one that you didn't do. Feel free to change it how you guys want. This is for you, so make it your own. And then over here, we've got our navigation items, which I'm going to go through one by one. So this is the main section, which is the workout schedule. I wanted it to be right at the top so that you can see it immediately. So if you're on your phone, then you can immediately go to the workout, click on it, and do it. And then down here, we have a workout history section where you can see all the different workouts that you've completed this month. And the main reason that I've done this is because I feel like it's very motivating to see how much you've completed. So for the workout schedule, we have a weekly view and then we have a monthly view. So I've only filled in 2 weeks, but you can see the whole month. And now let's get into these navigation items. So we have the fitness vision board. So as you can see, this isn't like your typical vision board with a whole bunch of pictures. There's a lot of text. And I got this idea to write down your goals in text instead of just having photos. From a podcast episode with Roxy Nafusi, I think that's what you say. I believe it was on the Ali Abdul podcast. And she basically said, instead of doing this like mood board where you have a whole bunch of pictures of stuff that isn't very clear of what you're trying to achieve, rather write down your goals in words, in text. Even make it a SMART goal if you want, where you can quantify it and say when you're going to achieve it by, because that way your goals are much more clear and they're not just very ambiguous, because a picture can mean a lot of different things. And also I feel like, especially for fitness goals, it's much better to write out what you want to achieve than just post a whole bunch of photos, because I don't feel like that's very healthy. So for example, one of my goals is to work out 4 times a week for 30 minutes. And then I also put down the section of the year where I say, how am I going to achieve this goal? So it's not just a goal, I have a plan in action of how I'm going to achieve that goal. So to go on to the next one, we have a progress tracker. So this is for the people who want to track their progress. I know not everyone's into this, but if you are trying to lose weight and you are trying to get to a certain measurement because of your health or whatever, then I think that this is really good so you can track how far you've come. So as you can see over here, we have like our goal weights and our goal measurements. And then over here is where you'll add your measurements each week or each month whenever you want to do it. And the next thing we have is a resource center, like a library, which is really nice for when you want to plan out your workouts. So you can just click on whichever trainer you like. I have my favorites at the top here. And I just like that it's very visual, it makes it more exciting, makes it more fun. I like to plan my workouts on Sundays and I just come here and I click on the trainer, I click on the link over here and I can see all their workouts. So it just makes it, I just like that it's very visual. Okay, and then the next thing is the fitness journal. So here is, if you guys want to use this, you don't have to use it, you can always delete it. I like simple, but I thought maybe some people would like this because I've seen some other like gym templates. You know, working out is not just a hobby for some people or something that they try to do just to get some exercise. I know that it's a journey for some people. Some people are trying to lose a lot of weight, or they're just trying to get to a certain fitness level. So I thought this is very good just to like document your journey, and you can look back and see how you were feeling in that time and see how far you've come. The last thing that we have is a favorite workouts page. So here is where your favorite workouts will go, and there is going to be a checkbox on each of your workouts that you can click so that that workout will move into the favorite workout section. Because if you are a home workout person, I'm pretty sure you have some workouts that you do and you're just like, oh my goodness, that was so much fun. That wasn't even like working out. That was so much fun. So that's where those workouts go. Those ones that you want to do again and again, put them over here so you can do them. Okay, so that's the tour. So now I want to get into how you can use the template and how everything works. Okay, so let's get into the most important part, which is planning your workouts. So what I'm going to do is I would usually go to the monthly calendar and I would plan out all my workouts for the month. But say you want to do it for the week. Let's click to today. So we're going to click on Monday. So this is the default template that you will see, and all you have to do is remove that, go to YouTube and look for a workout that you want to do. So I'm just going to click on this. I'm going to copy a bit of the title. And of course, you guys can customize this to however you want to do this. I know some people like to put what they're focusing on. So for example, maybe this is for your butts, then you would put lower body. Or if it's an arms workout, then you would just put arms. Whatever you guys want to do, customize it. I like to have the title and then just put the focus over here. So let's say the focus is full body. Workout type Pilates, and I've got a lot of different options over here. If you want to add something else, then you can just type it over here and press enter and then change the color. So the trainer is, I have a whole bunch of pre-filled ones. This is Lilly Sabri, and feel free to add whatever else you want. The duration is 30 minutes. And I have not completed the workout yet, but let's add it to my favorites so I can show you guys how this works. And for the URL, we're just gonna grab it over here and put it there so that you can easily click on it from your workout schedule homepage. And then over here is a link to a website where you can grab the YouTube thumbnail. And the reason I put this, it's so that it will show up in your workout history, so you can see the workouts that you've done with the thumbnail. So all you have to do is put the link in here, click get thumbnail images, and then you can click over here to download the HD thumbnail. And then I'm just gonna drag this into my template. There it is. So that's all you have to do. It's not a lot, and it gets really easy the more you do it. You can plan a whole week of workouts in like 10 minutes. So there we go, I've added a workout. So if you take a look at this thumbnail and you go down here, as you can see, you cannot see it because this workout history is only for the workouts that you have completed. As I said, this is to motivate you to see all that you've done already. So once I click complete, then the workout will show up over there. And it's organized by week for the month. And because I favorited the workout, it will show up over here. And I can refer back to this workout whenever I want, and I can click on the link and I can add them again. So it's really as simple as that. It's very easy to use. Everything's pretty much laid out for you. So for the fitness vision board, you guys can just delete these like this, click delete. And then when you want to create your own one, just click duplicate, and then it will show up over here. And you can change the image, choose a new title, and fill in the rest. So I feel like that's pretty self-explanatory. You guys can always contact me if you need any help, and I'll help you guys. So the next one is the progress tracker. So as you can see, this also has its own template. So if I wanted to do a March check-in, then I can put 1st of March. And then you can just fill in your measurements over here. And this is just a nice overview of your measurements and your progress that you've made. And then for the resources, you guys can of course just delete these if you want to. Otherwise, press duplicate and then edit the information. And the only information you need to add here is the trainer's name and then the URL to their channel's videos section. I even like to do some of Lily's live workouts, so I would probably add a section for her live workouts so I can easily go there. And then of course just grab an image. I just got this from Google. And for the fitness journal, it's also very simple. Just click new, type in whatever you want over here, add a date, add a tag. I added tags. Feel free to add whatever you want. Maybe it's inspirational, and just type over here. And then lastly, here are our favorite workouts. You guys don't need to do anything here because as soon as you click the favorite workouts in the workout schedule on the workouts that you want to favorite, like this, then it will be added to the favorites. And there's nothing that you need to do here either, because as soon as you click complete, then the workout will be added or removed. And then one last thing that I do want to mention is, for example, I do ballet classes every single week, and sometimes I don't want to write out everything again. So all you can do is click duplicate and then drag it to the date that you want it to go to. And then it will automatically change to that date so that I don't have to create this over again. So that's the whole workout tracker. It's very nice, very simple, and easy to use. And you guys can grab it. I'll put it in the link below, so go check it out and let me know if you guys like it. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask and I'll answer them. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like this video if you enjoyed this workout. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please give this video a like and hit subscribe if you like Notion, if you like productivity, self-growth, or any of those other topics. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye!